Hello everyone. Let's dive into replacing a crucial component for HP ZBook laptops. Specifically, we're looking at the Deal4GO 230W DC and power jack cable, a replacement part designed for the ZBook 15G1, G2, and ZBook 17G1, G2 series. If you're experiencing power issues with your ZBook, like it not charging or only charging intermittently, the DC power jack is a prime suspect. This particular replacement is compatible with part numbers 727818, FD9, 727818, SD9, and 727818, YD9, and it also corresponds to HP service part numbers 743733-001 and 785212-001. So, before you order, double-check those numbers to ensure compatibility with your specific ZBook model. The Deal4GO power jack features a 10-wire, 10-pin connector. The great thing about this replacement is that it's a plug-in type, meaning no soldering is required. This makes the replacement process much easier, especially for those who aren't comfortable with soldering. The cable itself is approximately 15.30 centimeters or 6 inches long. This should be sufficient for a straightforward replacement within a laptop. In each pack, you'll receive one 230W DC power jack cable. It's always a good idea to check the wattage requirement of your laptop's power adapter to ensure this 230W jack is the correct specification for your system. Using an incorrect wattage could potentially damage your laptop. While this is a generic branded part, it offers a cost-effective solution to a potentially expensive repair. Replacing the DC power jack yourself can save you a significant amount of money compared to taking it to a repair shop. Remember to always disconnect the battery and power adapter before working on any internal components of your laptop. Static electricity can also damage sensitive components, so consider using an anti-static wrist strap. Replacing a DC jack can seem daunting, but with the right tools, a little patience, and a good guide, it's a manageable task. If you're not comfortable doing it yourself, it's always best to seek professional help.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.